She's not still hungry, is she?
I'm taking a video, honey. So we got home from the hospital today with our babe, and we have a very regimented feeding schedule
Hiccups are gone.
and instructions. We have to do skin to skin, then breastfeed, then Eric finger feeds a formula supplement or my breast milk that I pump. And while he does that, I pump. And then, so they just got done and they're kind of cuddling, and she just had her eyes open and was staring at her daddy, but no, it looks like she's getting kind of sleepy.
Sleepy time.
She does not like getting her diaper changed.
And that's what we have to do.
Are her hiccups gone? Okay, say goodnight, Juliet. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow.
Oh.